Hello, I'm Dr. Nitya, Consultant and Head Critical Care Medicine in Medicover Hospital, Bengaluru. Stroke is usually perceived as a disease of the elderly, which may not be true always. Stroke can also be seen in younger age group. So everybody should be aware of what are the risk factors for stroke and also the symptoms of stroke so that it can be easily recognized and we can treat it immediately. So the common risk factors for stroke in young can be same as in the elderly, that is diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol, so which is increasing in the younger age group as well. In addition to that, alcohol, smoking can also contribute to stroke. In addition to this, commonly in younger age group, heart abnormalities like rhythm disturbances, hole in the heart. Sometimes some people have inherited disorders where the blood is thick, and also they might be on certain medications like hormonal therapy, some OC pills, which can also increase the stroke in younger people. And also some other risk factors like inflammatory diseases of the blood vessels can increase stroke in younger people. So it is very important that everybody gets a health check regularly so that we can prevent stroke in some people, and also lifestyle modification is also important so the incidence of stroke comes down. And it is very important that we recognize the symptoms of stroke. Especially the common symptoms of stroke are facial weakness, then arm weakness, difficulty in speech, sometimes disturbance of vision, imbalance in walking. So all these can be symptoms of stroke. It is very important that immediately we recognize and seek medical help so that the treatment can be given in a better way to the patients. So time is of essence in stroke. So we at Medicover, we have a helpline exclusively for stroke, which will help you to recognize the symptoms and get treatment immediately so that the functionality is better and the life is better. So please do make use of it and reach out to Medicover Hospital in case of any stroke emergency. Thank you.